welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrujita. Today is Sunday. What's the date? It's maybe 23rd of March. 24th of March. So right now we are going to a shop called Burlington Coat Factory. After that we'll go for lunch. So yeah, let's go with us and let's begin today's vlog. So yeah, say hi. So yeah guys. Hello guys, we just got back home after we had lunch. We went to Walmart for groceries. We just needed few things from there. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from there. So yeah, so I got eggs, lemons, lettuce, cucumbers, onions, bananas, oranges, avocados, tomatoes, bell pepper, potatoes, and this cookie. love this cookie. It's a double milk chocolate one. And carrots and strawberries. That's all. And I also got this palazzo from there. I really like the color. They have other prints as well, but I like this one the most. And I got some skincare as well. So yeah. Now I'm just going to put away the groceries and make tea for Shomo, and we're just going to go relax for a few minutes. After that I need to make dinner. So now I'm going to make dinner. I have some leftover chicken pakoras as well as some prawn pakoras. So I'm gonna make chili chicken with that, chili prawn as well. So yeah, for today's dinner with some roti. Now I'm just gonna clean this mess up, and I have to wipe down the kitchen counters and the stove countertop as well. So yeah. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you love to watch my videos and still you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so. That will be awesome, so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a brand new video. So yeah guys, that is all. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.